Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to disable Windows 11 Copilot so it doesn't appear on your PC. First of all, open the setting. You can open it from the search button here, or you can click Windows plus I to open the settings, then go to the personalization. Then after scrolling below, you will see the taskbar option. Here the taskbar will open. Here you will see the option called taskbar items. Simply click on that. Here you will see all the taskbar items that you have put in. So to disable Copilot button, look for Copilot and toggle it off. The Copilot icon will disappear from your taskbar immediately. If you see the taskbar Copilot icon in your taskbar, you can simply turn it off like this. Now to fully disable Copilot, press Windows plus R to open the run setting and search here gpedit.msc and click on enter and press enter and navigate to computer configuration, administrative, templates and Windows components. There you will find the Copilot and set policies to disabled as needed. And that's it. Copilot is now disabled on your Windows 11 PC. If this helped, like, subscribe and turn on notification for more Windows 11 tips, and I'll see you in the next one.